What's going on, everybody? Tobin here, 5M Family Homestead channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining us. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We would appreciate it. We don't make anything off of it. It just helps our channel get seen more, and we appreciate the support. So today, I'm gonna turn that into a temporary holding pen for our meat chicks. If you're new to the channel, we are raising about 25 meat chicks. Had some passing away on us, which is normal, but we're having a little bit more than what I would consider normal. So, but they're ready to be out of these pens, or these little containers we have them in. They're getting big. I think one got out earlier and the kids had to catch it, and they're getting some feathers on them, and the weather's supposed to be pretty decent here for the next little while, so I think it's time to get them put outside. So what I'm going to do is, went to Harbor Freight this weekend and bought some materials, and I'm going to turn this little dog kennel into a temporary enclosure for them. I have more panels like this, and when they get full grown, we're gonna make a very large pen for them to let them semi-free range in. But for now, we're gonna keep them in here. I bought a tarp and some other materials, and we're gonna make it where it's, they can get in and out of the weather, out of the sun, etc. So I picked up a couple heavy-duty tarps at Harbor Freight, and I'm gonna build a frame for the roof and probably staple those, or maybe use bungee cords to attach the tarps and do across the top, and then probably one on the back side. And then Shanna's coming with some the plastic chicken netting. We're gonna go around the bottom because there are a few smaller ones in there that might be able to get through those holes. So we'll go all the way around the bottom with that. Yeah, I got some 2x4s left over from our deck project. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get after it. Shannon will be here in a little bit. She's gonna help me. We're trying to get this knocked out, and we might put them in there tonight, if not for sure tomorrow. So. This is our roof structure. So I've got two tarps. One's gonna wrap around the back side here, and then the other one's gonna go across the top. And then Shanna got some poultry netting we're gonna put around the bottom.
For free.
She was mean to the people at Home Depot and got for free.
I was not mean. Yes, she was.
That's not
she
true.
like harassed him. She literally slapped one in the face.
I did not. I was not mean. I just was tired of the shenanigans of them not having a good product in stock. So I just made a deal with them. I didn't get it for free. I paid 1 penny for it.
Wheeler and dealer. All right. All right, y'all, so we're gonna put it right here for now. So we got power close. There's a power plug right there for their heat lamp. And then, like I said, we're gonna, once they get full grown, you all right?
Yeah, I went down and I hit my knuckles on this curb.
Once they get full grown, we have more dog kennel panels back here. And if you watch our channel very long, like last year, we made a long run down that fence line right there and put them in that once they get bigger. But for now, this is where they're gonna be until they do get bigger. So Shannon's trying to anchor it down as much as possible, just to help with wind. And then we're gonna, she bought that poultry netting. Did we show it? I don't think we even showed that to him.
No, and it's actually poultry netting, it's garden netting.
Garden netting.
It was $8 cheaper.
So it was $8 cheaper, it was taller, and it's technically it's garden netting, but I'm gonna show you all a way. That's 40 inches tall. I'm gonna show y'all how we cut this and we can use it, make it whatever length we want to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure up about 12, maybe 14 inches, and I'm gonna take a Sawzall and I'm gonna cut right here. And then that's all we're gonna need is just that section, and we'll have the rest of it for, you know, whenever else we need to use it. So. Do 20 inches. Just here. That is right there. Here we go. Hold it up. There.
I don't like the way that made my fingers feel.
So we cut this in half. We just did 20 inches, and if you leave the plastic on it, it doesn't unwind or anything. And then I don't know if we're gonna need this on this project or not, but if we don't, we got it for something else. So. Okay. Get the laying ones out. The laying ones out first. If you can, and count them. One. Dose. $25?
25. So
Right.
we lost 6, 7 with that extra.
Yeah.
And we have 7 coming tomorrow.
Good. All right, outside to the new Casa. Casa Day 5M. Huh?
I think they're going to be happier.
Yeah.
I hope you leave that on there.
That one should be fine. Just maybe not. It's getting stuck right there. Okay, maybe not.
Which one is it? That was fine. I don't know.
Yeah.
We just had to look that up. Come on, everybody.
Don't worry about closing it all up yet, because we'll be in another. I don't know what to think about it.
No.
Turned out pretty good. Little roof we framed up on top. Not sure if we get rain, you know, it may weigh this down. We'll burn that bridge when we get there. But happy with it. I mean, for the most part, that direction, the back of the coop is the west, and that direction's the north. So any rain that we're going to get is going to come from this side, most likely. So that's why we set it up this way. So we got it zip tied like crazy, and I mean, it's about all we can do. If we got a big windstorm, I don't know, you know, I don't know how good it would do, but not much we can do about that. We got it anchored down, got it all this done so they can't get out, and then we got a little system here so no predators can get in. Already got an escapee. That didn't take long. I think we know where she got out at. We're gonna fix it. There's a little gap right over here. All right, we got the escapee part fixed. We just didn't have it zip tied good right there. Some of them were fighting with each other. The ones that,
I'm sure it's the ones we've reintroduced back in.
yeah, they definitely are got room to stretch their legs now. Well, this is a big thing off our list.
Yes. We have more chicks coming, so
Yeah.
hopefully this is foolproof, but I don't know.
We're kind of modifying how we. Here.
It's just caught. I mean, they're outside, which is nice.
Yep. More coming tomorrow.
I just hope they survive tonight. That's all I hope for. Wake up in the morning and they're all okay.
Yeah.
Because this is very expensive out here.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, if we wanted to, I can turn that light on right there. That might help with
Yeah.
predators and stuff. So, all right, take us out.
Thanks for watching. Keep following along on our journey of Meat Chickens 2023. It never comes easily. I feel like every time we think we're going to learn something and we end up learning something different. So, but thanks for watching. Y'all come back to us and we'll see y'all again. Bye.